Hi, this is Denise Mai.
And I'm Ann Pham, and today we're excited to bring to you the hottest waterfront listing in Vancouver.
Welcome to the sales located here at the heart of Olympic Village. This is a LEED certified development, plus this is where sustainability meets luxury. This unit has a beautiful kitchen fit for a gourmet chef with high-end Miele stainless steel appliances such as cooktop, dishwasher, and oven. You've also got a sub-zero fridge with beautiful German cabinetry that's truly defined with quality and functionality. You've also got state-of-the-art radiant heating and cooling and 9 feet tall ceilings. And you've got beautiful engineered hardwood floors throughout with a deluxe spa bath and luxury faucets throughout. This unit is perfect for those who are craving a Vancouver lifestyle with the convenience of amenities such as groceries like Urban Fare, London Drugs, and tons of restaurants such as Craft, Temple Barrel, and so much more.
We also have access to the seawall, parks, community centers such as Creekside Community Centre, and 2 Skytrain line right at your doorstep.
If you want to take a look at this amazing home, feel free to contact us. My name's Denise Mai.
And my name is Ann Pham, and we'll be happy to schedule a private tour with you.